Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, April 8th, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Today's announcement is please post attendance, PST. All PST documentation should be current. Cell phones. Students should not have cell phones in class. If students bring a cell phone to school, it must remain in backpack, powered off. Outerwear. Many students are wearing jackets, sweatshirts that do not follow our uniform policy. Once students come into the building and are in classrooms, outerwear should meet uniform guidelines. No hoodies. Late duty. Today is Miss Bertolino. Important dates: April 4th through 8th, National School Library Week, also National Assistant Principal Week. April 7th through 11th, 5th grade ELA ACAP. April 11th through 15th, 4th and 5th grade math ACAP. April 15th, pre-K egg hunt. April 17th through 23rd, spring break. April 25th through 29th, 4th grade science ACAP. Administrative Professionals Week, and April 26th, Math PLT.
Easter candy grams. Candy grams for sale. Turn in your forms to your teacher. They cost $1 each. More information will go home with students today.
Black History highlights. We have some more remaining highlights for Black History Month. Today will be Bessie Coleman, written and read by Natasha Jefferson from Miss Washington's class.
5 facts about Bessie Coleman. She was born in Eliana, Texas on January 26, 1892. Her brother came back from World War I and told her that women could learn to fly in France. She got her pilot's license on June 15, 1921. In 1922, she performed the first public flight by an African American woman. On April 30th, 1926, she died from an airplane crash. She was 34 years old.
That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday.